ya cyaro turiza mugabanya cyakare nzamugabanya cyakare bizakura apakada turiza kusore hado tandi kituma utanga kuharana nuhakutwara munanga awutbela do not regret of what you have done today otakaye kuzecho wakorera gukora ki ekita cyo bakweta cryptocurrency omusiyona. Let me tell you the level of understanding of cryptocurrency. Omusiyona 6% rugo kumanya what cryptocurrency is. Okabenyo yesuna otetire munga ko yesuna ho kurangu kumanya what cryptocurrency is. Omusiyona in the whole world 6%. Not even 10, 20, 30. At there is actually show 20% what will you pay. Omulimba na homorokoro wabanze kubiza mu ariko lepenji homorokoro omukwije no pasto haya bazi ibrahim ibrahim dalala ze kasesi pastawi omuyugalo mu kwanya barokora wabanze mu lwa finemo kayanja zero wada ate saheji bavuga mu homorokoro kale okakampara buri mukambe daba mungu wati ngwa abagwirero bamukumema batanga kwarashi Elisa chirokwe kwasa kwa Mungu biza. Uliyo mwali wa kama hiyo na hata unarope kama si. Haleluya kucha haleluya. Awungeza tochire ba Mungu jira cyachire. Kibere cyacu. Na obwire ndo kuzapaka ekite cyo kuganira uri wenka kibe cyabwizo. Utashire hosezi. Koko tashire bro kwachi. Numwiziko mundaba nze kuleta mobile mano muri omwanya gwali omulimbara obibara bakaye numwiziko akazuko kubanza the first house akoyeka transacting mobile money era kasano yizuka wabanze gukora transaction ya mobile money kugenda ukasiri resent no fizuka out there elizo okatambara korona mobile money okatambara kwa kureta resent musaha wese ndeka ziriya simukazi kusinjira omudaktere simukabana nyenda kusinjira se registered linda omuza abantu batatu registered linda ukache najere bina ndera acheza atwazere bangwa ena bakana nje wasinjira nambachi echone rukana munda awangambira mukaga nateka room namba 10 Today, the agenda of technology. So, I want you to understand what cryptocurrency is and what the effect is going to do to your life. Example, number one, what is money? It's a medium of exchange. Why is it? In percent, non wabo tine sente tofundaligazi tukwe ebintu bingi biremera kujya mufile ki mutangira kugira sente mwana na ntwara makerere akugira sente na ndara shara tuli akugira sente na ndure muto kuwoyelezi wajende now medium of exchange baba so bari kuzatanje no so kurumbata trade kuzwa abatangiza banke urete coin zarichi paka kaze kuzipa para kujya no kwatose no paparo kwechi ohereza wayinegereza now ekesa y'ibyo tugambira hano process ikoresa banking system aho kwase bank ezini yo kuwinga ki ese wayinegereza aha wenchi eyo ne biduka one bino mutara sente hero ine sente hero no raise up your hand. What is it? Which country? Kasika Nigeria. Now this is what happened. Okakolesa bank ninga Western Union. Very good. Your name is Faizo came here. I want us to be attentive here. We are facilitated ya from Western Union. Ya wajira kusema Nigeria. Are we together? Western Union mkite nebeye bank yo organize. Omungere yo sirikachi. And Western Union ekaza an any local bank omu Uganda. either Centenary or Stanbic or whatever. Manyete jeleza. Etukia mazile kudaha local bank. Aba Western Union bagamba local bank anti Faizo na nakusindika sente kai Nigeria. Are we together? Now, local bank had to call the Central Bank of Uganda. Faizo na sindika sente kwa Western Union na zibara Nigeria. Turahamwe? Now, Central Bank ya Uganda ekaiteresumu Central Bank ya Nigeria. Hariho umuntu bakweta Faizo na sente kurumu Uganda zaramu Western Union zizo wanyu. Wanyitegereza? Central Bank ya Nigeria ekaterera local bank ya Nigeria. Numuleba processing. So local bank ya Nigeria oria kore ya zero Western Union ekaine kusindika kahi Western what Union ya Nigeria. Turhamwe the Western Union ekaine kuterera receiver. And this is what is happening today. How many people are in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okasindika zingahe? Akasifuna 5. Wasindika mitwali 10 over 10 million. Do you think he will receive 10 million? Why? Everybody needs a percentage. Percentage. When you do this, the chocolate was a sabe sente wajamulindaho bazo signing ekatera kasimu. Let's do it this engineer process eyokusindika sente. And this is what is happening. And exactly this is what was happening in post office. Okabo handike bara ya uza post office kani mbara tukwe ojitwa amambara bakisindika Kampala. Minga region isindika Kampala etera bakura hekuza etambere za amere za ngai paka cherekani etwale myeze ngai. Are we together? Ebikusoma sana mbiche the process in budget shift coding era wakora mnonga bakusaba ki waze kusindika bakusaba shift code. Are we together? Manyete jeleza omuntu ombara mu bwense na inda shortcut. Ino mutaka kwa shortcut. Koro tak ma shortcut ni ojibe tembe kwa tabu. Yoni ko ba pembe. Umuhanda kuri wa bora na tema pembe. Ndio ko baziro na anga soko byokati. Ajimba aba ku. Short what? Tihino mutaka kwa ndobora mu buri ize. Namuchenga buli omu yetaaga obulamu obwamuwa. Chogola apina lift. Omuzungu yetaaga talina kamenya kano kuli ekizimbe. Ayingira munanyiga lift ti. Nemutwala. Akwata akasimu waayo oli ludda wa jangu. Sikujja kukoloonya bonono. Awulira? Atula mu ntebe nakwata remote TV ero anyiga talina kasipaga nanga atuseki. People need is a what? Is a what? Is a what? Kato obulamu obwanguwa buleetera abantu okulowooza ennyo. You get it? So this is what is happening. N'olugawo zo mu bank osabe sente bazokwima kandi zibeza because of your signature. Koko we no state na yakoze ki? Wanyitegereza? Msaka ya kulindu bakasi. Another thing, the money you have doesn't seem to be yours. Akaseta kwa jambo hiyo wakagarumu sawa. Kahandi church. Bank of what? It's not your money. It's bank of what? Toina stake toina mungu souls. No haya video ya Muhammad Isere. Have you watched that video for the MP? Yes. What he was saying, tenchi fechi singa ngabo toina mu obuyinza. Are we together? Cryptocurrency eze okwereza abantu obuyinza mu byefuna. When the internet came, it was followed by technology called blockchain. But one was in the same ogunu faizo tukwe ogunu receiver yo blockchain ne kugira this Western Union will do what no takola chi and this one we need this faizo and receiver peer to it's called peer. Why do I need to go all this process sending you money? Why? And why do you need to charge me? Now what the million you could have away to the bank? Focus before. Why do you take it to the bank? And you think the bank will give it for free? Abachi? Talk like that. I will get it. Now, if what they know we have a suma and no we have, I'm going to touch. You call this on what? So, while we're at you don't worry. If you're working in the bank, let me say, what are the bank? You know what it means? When you look at a post office, what is happening now? Technology is taking people's jobs. And when we're losing action, we are getting back. We are benefiting. Now, how together? Now, this is what cryptocurrency is doing. When the city crypto, they are two words. When you look at the money you have, that paper money that you hold, there is that serial number which is going down like this. You look at the money, never say there's no enough of it. Casino number comes to Mahansa. Casino number. Never touch. Omuru Westente is your serial number, it looks to Mahansa. So what is the serial number? It is called a coin. Called the what? Called the what? A coin. How do you get that coin? How do you get that number? How do you know that this number is from Ogonomutwaro and Ogonomutwaro? And I'm going to Susana. Do you know why they don't look at it? It's because member of state. Space level. Where's the but I'm finishing now. I can say this serial number, it is not the same all money. Do you know why? This is a mathematical calculation. Mind there is a H-baro, a computer. Because of the $1 million commit the home to is this is the logic behind it. I've been teaching these things for a long time. Mind there is a if you're going to reach at 10, how do you get 10? 1. 1 plus 9 equals 2 plus 8 equals 7 plus 3 equals 5 plus 5 equals 4 plus 6 equals. Out there? These are different figures. Now those are the different serial numbers. But we can talk it is carrying the same value, but with a different formula of calculation. This is how money is made. Calculation. Now, when you calculation, one was up to no Ogonogo kubanza no gwakabiri ogwakatatu ogwakane ogwakatano up to that level. Are we together? Now, if that one reaches Chamara Kuwayo, it becomes a done deal. What went wrong? Why did we go through cryptocurrency now? In 2009, you know what happened in 2008? A currency which was a freight crunch. How did it come? When you look at the paper you have, or paper recent, everybody can make that paper. You have never gone to the bank and they ask you a decision number. Now, what is paper corporation? You want me to go to get a capacity of detecting that. Do you know what it is? This money is fake. This money is correct. You don't have that capacity. That's why we have people who can print money at any time they want. Omutuna printing a cent billion as the home economy, and the economy dies. When money is too much in saturation, it's wrong. One of the characteristics of money is must be scarce. Why is it? Because two are jump at red pass our shares. Or what up for Google Corona our shares. Kokama has come as a phone of we want to they change it. That's why you cannot go down here and you print money. But people go to other countries, print Ugandan money, bring it here. Print the dollars and bring it in circulation. Now, a church carrier is welcome in Munan in Siona Yazamu or World. Company Zagwa. Company is better by the GTV. Do you know GTV? Yes. The kind of competing and DSTV. It came here for 4 months to run out. I had a political branch, I was about to do this. Because I didn't know what money is. Money for a political branch. What is it? Let's show you what is political branch. Because 2008, since Carigno, how we are going to printing a center, but become saturation, Zabromo Gasho, Abaya Biba, Katkuzon Burur, government is printing that, Katkuzon Burur, why? Because they are trying to put out the money they printed, Chogam Riches will print, Sabagala comes, prints, so and so comes, prints. Are we together? So send this Brachi, are we together? Post office. Someone who can support the money and open in Nigeria can see. Can you refuse? No. But today, once in Jacob, you know how to open it. Can someone open it? Are we together? So, on one can be removed. Someone started down. That's why you make something important. It's people. Look at corporations of cryptocurrency. Initial idea is about crypto, people. They encrypted it. I mean, WhatsApp was asking these messages are encrypted from end to end. The word encryption means something, you are hiding something. So, what I said was, you know, figures over there, but we are by the help of a technology called blockchain. Blockchain. Block what? So this blockchain now the paper becomes useless because the real money is hidden. You cannot see it. So it is hidden in computers. Big computers. Do you know how it is hidden? No. Who uses mobile money? Are you aware it is hidden? Because you cannot touch it with your what? With your hands. Or we talk to him to a mobile money. I said so as in child to a relationship. I didn't have it. Go that I wasn't trying to much pay about what she. Let them come in, the neighbor will see themselves. By the way, you do that. Are we together? So, in this area, money, estate, is through Kolesa, Balquata, Bakarachi, Balseka. Encryption means what? Means what? A chitambo cryptocurrency, estate Gozechi, estate Gozechi. What is your role as a Ugandan right now of rolling a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the government can make it conquer idea that can jump back individuals. Why is it? Okomutaya was the same thing you can talk about Bitcoin. Akadikora wenka abantu batatu kugikiriza mu kugikoresa okukura ki ebintu kwiyatakira kugikuyata kugikuza mu bantu batakugikiriza it now went everywhere. Are we together? You still need to know space? When it just sit in front where you know the chair is, then you live there the what? One man went there, I was there home to get the bag and you let someone come and see. I don't have this. Not so? Okay, let's go. So, in 2009, omusajja omugezigezi oba group y'abantu beegatta ne bayiya amagezi how can they change money, real money, ne bakwata sente z'empapula zino zivaawo ezifuuka cryptocurrency. Niho bakwatire okukola sente y'okubaza bakweta bitcoin. Esente ya crypto netambula mu bantu, it's you to believe in it. Nikyokula ntibegesa ako omuntu nayiza kubuuza tukwakakole no message tukolga abetunizo tugamba because we are trying to hide your information. Wano okole nemweyonekyekora wewe so omuntu nayebuuza habwenki noyikiriza kugambira abantu abakubiya esente. Wanyitegereza esente eza cryptocurrency okusucceedinga omunsi zine kuba zine community nkoko okoleba omurokole nayesengereza omuntu tayiwe ati nankiwoloko nakusengereza loko because naina community ebeki aharaike amanye ngu nyine mutari wanje nyine omurokole wanje nyine omurokole wanje. Wanyitegereza na n'omusiramu nugwoko nakira ataka anze kufunayo bana yomugwaza arabana tugenda kola tutya tuza kuba bata awo together. So bitcoin ekateba mwesente abantu abakugikirizamu community yakumanya ekora demandi yaza iguru muno bitcoin ebe yakora ki yatema. Cryptocurrency is to gukora resolve gukora zona kale one coin bitcoin whatever currency that you make which is real. What does it require? Neyenda abantu iwe niwe kwatisizo kuguramu emigabo kuguramu shares. Are we together? You get your money and buy shares. Why? Habukugira ngo esente za government nezikora izakusapura ikombana konka ezeza crypto tina kusakora chi niwe kuzikiriza because I told you money is a medium of what? Of exchange. Kuku is already done why? Ninyelende. Wazute mpa mkoini. Haitegereza na kwa coin nichomaliza coin ya nachi value. Hako kunaweka kusapia za kule bimba. Mpa yochi mpa mkoini. Nichokwenda ko muzamanje ukaga mwega kugira ngo we accept mobile money, we accept Visa card, we accept Mastercard, we accept what? Haba kugira ngo zone modes of what? Of payments. Why did it? So ensi ahelineza elune ko subsistence example neza ko subsistence za what? Cryptocurrency. Iwe role yawe ko muntu no kwatsa sembe wowe cyo nyine oba bakuzamusi oba bakorachi okakuremega ukafuna share on crypto what? Because Izoka saw my story, I was like, these things happen. Who knows the deal? And who knows that story? I could give one number. Mbile confessed in the newspaper that he sold everything. We have a cool idea of mobile money. He sold everything and invested in the MTN. No, but MTN is a million who were seeing this. But because we are in the information age, information if you don't know, you will not do what? You will not know. I will together. So whoever invited you, you come, have a look at the business and do a study or investing in Kahi or cryptocurrency. I will together. Cryptocurrency and equator. One. Echokwa za chaliona and fixed. Why is it? Echakabili, it is borderless. Echakandi is very safe. You cannot steal it. Obakaje is secure. It is very secure. Are we together? Talk for Maragajiva. So it is fixed. In a way, let us use this example. 5 plus 5 equals what? 10. Can it be 11? Can it be 9.2? It must be what? 10. That is all. Ruhango karabe yahanjiritaka 200 square miles, that is all. This land cannot reduce, cannot increase. Why is it? Let me ask one person here. Noha ayahi itaka kisengureli yamuhi rise at one. Niko kujotita kelino sengura karatani sengura. Niliyo tukwe. Noke katika kusengura kitakele kwa sisi lazima. Singa rules. What the resolution can say singa singa. Gekumi. Elizo na kurete kumi vitakele nolipa. Nabo kwamina zingani? Nabo no kwamina ngakakwa. Alina ndamu itakaswe kweli abahire nabasako ya zingani? Siringi rukumi tukwe. Kokano mu million igana 100 million you cannot give it to me. Elita kalionjire size Nida kumoche. What happened to that land? Because people keep increasing, demanding to use that same part of land. Why did they do this? Kokumo yomuzide, wabo yomuzide omwe. Tata na kueleza chi, itakaja warudia tukwe. Hapo kweza ni wazara chi, wazara bana. Hato omuzaka ngalo wazara babi osara. Akana kawe, akana kumwana kwanza, wakabiri, akana kumchana wana. Tukwe, hata mwana naona azarawe yebanga hii. Remember, you are not increasing on the land, but you are reducing the same one. People from Kawa can testify about this. You get it? Then, nanobu naona azara akorata, it becomes the same one. Now, no basakusanga esente zukura this land. Waza kusukita, zikabe nizukita kele byono muruguta. Kogamu kujanga bantu binkurizi njiro mwingi demandi ya mpango wayendereza uri bona nakore se kintu gicumwe ebeyi nekora ki etebayi. So fixed moment, I mean fixed echo kugira ngo cryptocurrencies are fixed na nabagambere ngo nokora cryptocurrency uri kore saki ekibaro ndo basa kore sa format yo kugira ngo wano ndakari tano. How many formulas do you use to get what? Get 5. Why is it? You can add addition, you can say addition with the whole number. No, if I'm going to reach 5, using the whole number and addition, no, it's 1 plus what? 1 plus equals what? 3 plus 2. What is another formula? 0 plus. What is another formula that you can use using the whole number and addition? Well, now meaning these formulas become coins. It is a fixed calculation which is given by a computer. Whatever there is a computer, they task it, please do 2, 3, 4 formulas for me to reach this amount. It solves that solution and it becomes a coin. That's why it's fixed. Why is it? 2, borderless. One was actually a message. I'm not telling you Facebook. You find you have someone from Pakistan, India, Turkey, you have never seen him. When you are sending a message, it just goes across the border. Not so? So money is said that is Salamahanga, Hatarokumus. The Chakabi is very secure. Because it is encrypted, it is hidden in your names. Nobody can do what? Can steal it. Are we together? So what do you need to do? You come and register with us. When you register with us, we show you the packages that we sell. And you buy at the low, you sell at high. When you get you can choose to sell, you can choose to trade your money, you can choose to use it as a medium of what? No matter how you coin or social school fees, no matter how you coin or trading. Trading is like a access to the ground or the exam. Are we together? No matter what you no matter Now, or you can keep it and it raises the value. Are we together? Now, let me show you some examples. In 2009, the first Bitcoin was made in Uganda. Not so? Today, I understand Bitcoin, there was a million between 23 million and 25. Makatiwa. Bitcoin data, how much to generate the value of the a fixed Bitcoin is 21 million, or value about to money of Bitcoin is a million. Now, a unit of the Uganda that a million of Nazirai, specifically company for an innovator one life. One life in the product they use is one coin. Are we together? One coin, a couple of becoming 2014. It's value a currency in Uganda. Are we together? Today, a young boy now, Omutaya was never today. Hataya Kuminegi. Was a common community Avenue. Nezakwaya at least carriages maybe. Nezakwaya Makumiana. Oh, Kangaven is a very kind of Makumiashan. Okay, let's stop speculating. Everybody has Makumiani. Are we together? Are you going to make the same when you have your own coins? Now, cryptocurrency is reclaimed. It is an asset. You buy and hold. No Gorokorachi, no Gorokorachi, no Pataka Dekawe, Okadewa, Kubutano, you get your money and you keep. Omutaya was the Bitcoin with Akazirik, Samaria Kena. Today is a billionaire. Are we together? Today you have a chance of investing, of buying shares, buying your coins in one coin when they are still low and you keep. Are we together? Nous avons les coins sur la school fees, nous avons les coins sur la mavanza, nous avons les coins sur les bintu, ninda nous avons les coins pour achi, we open. Are we together? You will be using your coin to buy whatever you want to buy, because this is where the world is going. Now there is one point that I die on. Among the things cryptocurrency does, there is what they call the protecting income and what? And protecting income and what? The Massac Sumesa or you know Munjira or you know to a Chenga, but you understand this point and I cross. Never talk about legal Zoom. You say protecting income and what? Protecting income and wealth. Protecting income. Repeat after me. Protecting income and wealth. Protecting income. Or one which my name Maria why? Because the father did not protect his wealth. I would get Muremere Hanuya Agataron for TV. Omukazi na Demeranga, Baba Minjira Mataka. And you think you have money kept in land? You think it is your money? No, that is the wrong side. What are you going to do? Have you protected their income, their wealth? Now let me tell you what happens. This is what I did. In 3.4 million, I bought a package in One Life Network. A company is a coin is by that time, each coin can bring value to you get the calculator and give me an answer. You can invest in 3.4 million. 3. What? Na coin is coming as Dingai. Coin again, I did how much it guys into it. But what? 33 millions. A sentence of cryptocurrency by those in pregnancy. You know what pregnancy is? And then you might. Yeah? It is over. Kumina zile coin rukumina vile account yangu. Sisi kayirukaga ko sikwe yongera Why is it? Can't think as you are we together? But each coin is paid because I have got member to I can 3.4 million people and plus. The man can on G, a pay Yakoni and that community because I'm going to take away the young in life. How together? Actually, you know what? In coin community is community. How much is that? 100 and what? And 44 what? Million. Now, a county, Jiramutavan Manch. Omano Jire, I need 3 years. How together? Omana Omodia participants in Koyan Yakena. So if you know William Yakesatu, Mesa Navaria accumulate and quarter sentence. Because I'm not going to touch on it. It's not my money, it's his. How together? So, Omia accumulate and on jump in the Zapuation accumulate. What is a very good thing that's in that? Can I got to take 1 million, 2 million in 15 years? Has gone very slow. Not so? Coins are the community in Chaco. Jazz Richie. Omana has a quick camiso. Yes, I'm going to come in every million. How much is that? Is my planning very poor?
24 billion.
24 what?
Billion.
Can he be poor? Can he be poor? This goes to all parents. Please do what is required. You look for someone who invited you or who's the house where you invest in this field. We want that time more than home center. I will together. I come on the coin, I ask someone which is when I'm ready with the numbers. Please stop to Jerega, do what is what. Are we together? Now, continue to protect income and wealth. He said that as well, one has succeeded, no performance. I think I go straight to heaven because I will not pray for my kids. And I'm going to talk to Zakura, then what will you tell us? You ask yourself, what are you going to do for your daughter? Who's the one of the one of the number? Who's? Who's the top tier and why? One of the number. Whatever we don't move, what you watch, you don't have the answer to do what? Today's the chocolate Roman it is username and password. Username and what? So ladies and gentlemen, you must have come for 2 days talking about cryptocurrency. I have seen the bad and good of cryptocurrency, I know the good and bad, and I'm still learning. Why did you say that? Ukishinkwenda ni chindeza manupatari manje. Kora wali umuntu msiaka ni mwe temo msete mchesara magezi gono kumetunga short kwa patesete wazungu mchi cryptocurrency. Sit with the right people bakusomese, each office is running up, we have offices in Kabale, we have offices in Lukunjiri, we have offices in Ibanda, we have offices in Kampala, in Achima, everywhere, in Masaka, are we together? Make sure ukahandu osome okwatobire bwawe obuheyo okwate sente zoyine usiteko cryptocurrency. Obo wache bwatu wakorachi oyesuna okano omuntu wakweta omuronde wanu basomutwara akachayo ngule kachayo. Because wabuzu Wajiri munyanziwe. So kataka bagamushori. Ese sente zono zirekanye. Awutuga kongaba kugira ngo yakwatayiza idinyo nyanzi kora ekyo zaba. Kole wale beri nyanza wale bohochi kuno kabe umunya. Symbol parochi. Cryptocurrency symbol kapa za cross. Cryptocurrency ne sente kozrechi. Ne sente kozrechi. Omuntu wa bulizono ndo kwata kuramuchi. Parce que pourquoi nous voulons machine? Nous voulons machine? Vous avez fait un moyen de gagner un peu de balance. How many do you have? How many do you have? And which currency do you have? Who's the one? Ora, namu ora fune. Ora, namu ora fune. Last day. Tihine industry kutakola mwese apart from cryptocurrency. Are you with me? Tihine industry kutakola mwese tanchi. Cryptocurrency is new generation. New what? New what? Swekuru ebitemi yakolise kwe yamusente kusomesa kala tikalda komija yamusente. Can it happen? I cannot use my grandfather's tactics that he used to make school fees so that I can also get money. I would say because we are using the same tricks. Get guidance from right people and do new things. Correct yourself. Never forget. Some central marketing forget. People have made a lot of money. I would tell Parochi. Wakone chini kumareni yake tano. Start kile program kwa wakati kumarukora. Please leave it. Leave it and look for something new. I would tell so. Mbara minungi sa babaletera amahore marungi agawana life. I would tell we never go into kuza. We started kada kuachira abantu ba bizakuza business kureba cyo kora. We call it going public. Yeah? So other people are coming to buy shares there outside one life. So on 7th January, kulimana za kwa so the training account say and then kusaba ni yetao that those are the people training to suppress our members. I would tell so these are the packages we stop at in the one academy. Then from there to the package zaba mateka akapenda kusoma law ibikwata kutoka nse woino mwana wawe akwenda kusoma lawyer mbele tumuhereze okusomachi amateko kutoka nse. Then to the trading, that's all. So you will go on tactic or in years, I think it's 2-3 months to come and have the benefits. Then if you have your business, what in the business you have, to let you have e-commerce, electronic, which no someone no trade in no super ready car no kwatawa no kuresi mweji to kwenda kusoma duka. Imagine inama duka mara sentence chenera clients bachenera. Don't ask yourself. People buy from phones. Abantu bachinde kuri bo kuzoko si wabatera hivi no. Tuna platform ya kwenda chini. Deal shaker. I'm going to cover it in the second session for members and those businesses. Or when you never one coin, you can have an account. Which is a form of the sent. Because the deal shaker by with another packet, another payment platform, they operate a PayPal. This system helps you to liquidate money. Which is coin or cash. And other platforms are coming on board. Like people who are trading in Bitcoin, we have so many areas where we can get our money, even on mobile money. We have like BitPesa, we have like BitPayer, those are professions. But you can go online, you put your mobile money, you buy Bitcoin, you sell like that. So system is the general scholarship. A cheap question is how if you focus on check right now, you understand one thing that you need to buy shares in cryptocurrency and you keep then you keep planning to buy. Are we together? Yeah. Any question? Yes. Who's it?
Nimbuza. Aha, nicho kubanda nkigira mu cryptocurrency as Bitcoin katandikira nkai. Icyaka biri nikigira imbasa kuzugura kizirabe nzugura mitwaro 12 anko watoreka then zugura 12 hati kanshi karbo akigurire mu promotion arumuka promotion niga akariansi yesentezo ikindi nikigira mu tarume sabeyindi iyo umuntu yakufasa kuminga onyu cryptocurrency akakorezi
Pero la roban. Sana kwa cryptocurrency ndio Oka amani. Tuineho esente. Naleta dola chikumi. Na siri chikumi za Uganda, na chikumi za Kenya. Mwenye wote. Hawachi ndio dola chikumi za Uganda na chikumi. Hawachi. Because dola package market ni kunonga umusikio. One coin ne almost 2 chenda na mkaka, including Uganda. Na nawaje cryptocurrency borders. Like Bitcoin works in the whole world. Nogana noza Kenya no transacting. Noza Nairobi na mimi Tanzania no transacting. Noza UK wherever you go, they accept your what? Out together. Konga watu wa Uganda shillings. Agaragawa ko kagenda shishi Uganda shillings so Rwanda. Ahayo concept yo kakurumunda. Noza kurageza. Are you aware? Mukao ile dora makwachi. Okuruka kwa America na luka kuye ni ngachi. But the dollar was marketed like a currency. So, cryptocurrencies nyingi ukichukuza mtikila is correction. We have 3 factors by the way. We are taking me back. For a currency to be considered to be a currency, the state of our say, 1, it must be a store of value. 2, it must be a medium of a unit of account. About some accounts, my economics. What do you mean by so value? Now, what is the value you get back? I can say this is one is again value. Okawa part of the rich event value, I can say that the value that's lost your what? Why is it? We are encouraging you to buy shares in these coins. Why? One coin is a just in Sekumi. Tupe? Had the young one communicate? I have real community has it stored his value or not? Why is it? A chakabi. Once understands of the Masako committee of Moruxi. That is why one coin we have this shaker. This shaker platform, never pay out online. How to look up by one coin of a you can use it as a medium of what? Of exchange. A chakasa unit of account. No asanga. That's the name of the car. Not so? No. You want to pay school fees. Not so? School fees. No, in a dance. In a dance. An apple. Apple is the easy guy. Say you come so. You have one coin. Can you give 0.00 something? Yes. In 2010. Until our 0.00 Bitcoin, today if someone gave you 0.001 Bitcoin, you know how heavy it is. Yeah. So no a unit of account, you can break your currency into what? For God you cannot break it into what? So, currency is no problem, you can accept it. In these factors, take it. What causes this usability? How many people are using your coin? For us, one coin is 3.4 million and we are still increasing. In the whole world? In the whole world. Altogether, 2, can it be traced? Yes. To in a KYC, know your clients, still have your sense of they can be traced. Then it's I went the result was a promotion. Promotion, yes, it will have a crypto that will be promotion, but that promotion has ended. Why? Or the solution by the Thomas Noy I mean, honestly, continue to Zaporata, but without the Kubi, but that one has done what? Has ended. You start from and what? Above. Our below that money, please do not bring your money again. Okay? But it was there. And it was an arrangement of members in conjunction with the companies. Not one day. I would like a change to our church. Yes. Bitcoin is who knows, America, USA. But I think because even the owner is Danish, we hear maybe it's a group of people, it's one person. Forget it today, I want to go to Bulgaria. Bulgaria, Sofia, Bulgaria. Okay? Kenya, they have made their own Uganda.